Welcome to Science in a Minute.
Hi, it's Jet. Welcome to Science in a Minute. Today, we have another topic about Newton's laws of motion. And here's another question. What is Newton's third law of motion? A. An object at rest will stay at rest. B. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting upon it. And C. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. D. An object in motion will stay in motion at constant velocity. The correct answer is C. Why? Because Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that if one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. And that's it for today's another episode of Science in a Minute. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you until next time.